guys, do you need a little bit of help on the riddle page that you need to finish up for the weekend? So just to kind of go over a couple things with you really quickly, remember you got to write down the work, right? No work means no credit. I will tell you that A, H, B, E, and M are really super easy. When you go to write those proportions, the nice thing about it is that those similar figures are in a similar position, and so you can easily just see the numbers. So 3 and 15, and then A and 27. Don't forget you have to cross multiply and divide, and when you do that, you should get an answer of, as I'm typing it in, you should get an answer of 5.4. And so to fill out the riddle, everywhere you see a 5.4, you're going to put the letter A. So it looks like there's 1, 2, oh, that's a 54. Here's 1, so 3. It looks like there's 3 of them, okay? So letter H is going to be the same way. You just fraction equals fraction, 3.5 over 7, H over 3. Okay, those work the same. I do want you to be super careful about letter L. Letter L is slightly tricky, so just be careful because it's not going to be 8 over 6 and L over 4, so be careful about that one. Letter N and letter S are the two that I actually want to go over with you right now, and so I have them drawn on a separate sheet of paper so that you can see them. Keep in mind, you don't have to draw the pictures if you don't want to. I am just drawing them so that I can help show you how it works, okay? But I want you to imagine that there is this, for letter N, there's this little itty bitty teeny tiny triangle that is actually sitting on top of a larger triangle. And so what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to go draw those two triangles over on the side, okay? So here's my small one, okay? It is 3 by 5. And then here is the larger one that it's sitting on. And what you have to figure out is what those dimensions are. Now it tells me that the bottom of it is N, but when I go to look at how tall it is, how tall is this triangle? Well, that triangle is actually 9 plus 3, so that triangle is actually 12 tall. Okay, so you're going to do 3 over 5 equals 12 over N, and then go solve it. Let's do that again. Down with letter S, okay, letter S. And so, again, you have to kind of imagine there's this smaller rectangle sitting on top of a larger rectangle. So again, if you pull it apart and draw them, okay, you have a smaller rectangle that is 9 by S, and then you have this larger rectangle that it's sitting on top of that is 54 by, how long is the whole thing? By 27, okay? And so there are your two fractions. You're going to do S over 9, and then 54 over 27. And again, don't forget to cross multiply and divide. Okay, so hopefully that helps you get started on the rest of the riddle page.